Welcome to Keeping It Current, your 4-minute source of information about what is happening at Potatoes USA and within the U.S. potato industry. Chef RJ Harvey is joining us today, and he is planning on sharing some ideas for summer camping and barbecue activities, with potatoes of course. Simple, easy, and tasty are drivers for people looking for an escape from COVID confinement syndrome.
Well, thanks a lot, Blair. Appreciate that great introduction as always. And today we're talking all about potatoes in foil meals. You know, a lot of folks right now are getting out, getting active, they're going camping, they're going hiking, and I can't think of a better on-the-go meal than starting your day off with potatoes or even finishing your day with potatoes. Foil meals are very simple to do, and potatoes are the perfect vegetable to keep as a base for your wonderful foil meals. So what we're going to do here is we've got a couple different ones that I wanted to highlight. We can keep things very simple by just slicing up some fingerlings, putting those into our foil pack with a little bit of bacon and some cheddar cheese. And here we're just going to top it off with a little bit of sour cream and some green onions. This is a classic loaded baked potato style foil meal. And then I'm going to show you how quick this really is to just throw together. This is going to be so simple and so amazing. So what we got here is we've got some pieces of aluminum foil. You can either use the heavy duty aluminum foil or you can just double up on some regular aluminum foil. From there, we're just going to slice up some potatoes. We're going to use russets today. But you can use whatever type of potatoes you like, whether it's reds, whether it's yellows. You can even get into the purples, whites, what have you. So before you go camping, you're just going to slice up your potatoes. You're going to do about 1 potato per foil meal. And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of chili lime salt. You can use whatever seasoning you'd like. And then we're going to top this off with just some sliced chicken breast. And of course, you got to season your chicken, so we're going to put a little bit more of that chili lime salt right on top. Finish it with a little bit of shredded pepper jack cheese. Fold over one side, fold over the other side, and then we're just going to wrap up the ends like an envelope, and then this goes into a 400-degree oven, or you can use a grill or campfire stove. So we're going to open this bad boy up. All that cheese is melted. The chicken is perfectly cooked. And then to really set this off, we're just going to top it with a little bit of fresh salsa. And you can buy this prepared in your grocery store ready to go. So there's no excuse to not cook potatoes when you're out camping. These are our Fiesta Lime Chicken with potatoes, and this is a loaded baked potato foil meal. Back to you, Blair.
RJ, thank you so much for a great demonstration and for the reminder that great food can be prepared simply and with minimal ingredients. Thanks for joining us today for Keeping It Current. Until next week, keep your heads high and your thoughts kind. Potatoes, real food, real performance.